Whisper, you alright?
Yeah, boss, I'm good.
That does sound convincing to me. Me and you we all a one-way talk. Cool?
Alright. When are you ready?
Yeah, man, no problem, man. No problem at all.
Say a word.
Alright.
Cool. Alright, ladies, I'm gonna grab a chair so we can have some conversation. Alright. Ladies, how are you doing?
Well, we're doing alright now, you know. Well, I only can speak for the two of with you. But my other two friends, them, one, she suffer from PTSD and the other one, like, she just angry.
That is expected. I'm just happy to know that the two of you have each other.
Well, me did alright cause me get food, so me did do quite alright.
Alright guys, I'm happy to know that you're both doing well. I mean, sorry about your other two friends, but the main reason why I am here is to let you understand that nobody, absolutely nobody, can know about the identity of anybody who was a part of this rescue mission. I'm Agent B. That's Chris. And that's Crystal. We're all a part of an agency. You have seen Crystal's face. And now you're seeing Chris' face. You saw mine. So I now need you guys to swear to secrecy that I can depend on you guys to not let this out of the bag.
Yes, Agent B. Yes, Agent B. I saw him did cute.
If you stop it on my girl after all the way I could go through your way at about.
I want you to listen to me very carefully. You young ladies, the four of you, are the four lucky ones who happen to get rescued. Out of 24. 20 have already been sold or whatever they have done with them.
Whoa. 24.
Explain to me the sequence of events that led to you guys being captured.
Bossy, can I get something to drink?
Yes, Crystal, you cannot.